Sometimes I hate social media. It's literally my career and my job, but it's all fake. Most of it's all fake. We try to target your insecurities to show you a certain lifestyle is great. We persuade you to get something and buy something so it can fill that emptiness inside you. There's always some type of message so you can do some type of action afterwards, but honestly, I don't know what type of message I want to send out to the universe. I just know that my social media is for myself and no one else. It's my diary. It's my outlet. It's my journey. And it's definitely healing for me. But no, at the end of the day, my life isn't perfect. Everyone's life isn't perfect, to be honest. I have really bad days, and I have really good days. We are all human, just figuring it out.